Hello everyone, welcome to our first supplementary lesson. These lessons are short lessons dedicated to supplementing our programming courses. In this lesson, we will cover bits, or the smallest units of computer memory. You will see that bits, bytes, etc. are commonly used throughout the computer programming courses. This is because the whole concept of modern computer is based on bits. So let's dive in. Semiconductors are used throughout computers to build transistors. Transistor is a small device that can have two states, on or off. So the on state is represented by 1 and the off state is represented by 0. On your computer or CPU, inside the core, there are probably tens of millions of small transistors, and these each form the bits for the computer. So 1 bit is denoted by 1 transistor and it can hold state of 0 or 1. That's because transistors can hold charge or no charge. The charge state is denoted by 1 and the no charge state is denoted by 0. This forms the basis of our bit. So 1 bit or 1 transistor can hold 1 or 0, and that's the smallest unit of memory that's available on a computer. So when I say bit in a computer, I mean 1 bit or 1 transistor or a state of 1 or 0. Now a byte consists of 8 bits. So if I say 1 byte, it means 8 bits. And each bit here can hold 1 or 0, 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 and so on. Now if you think about it, in 1 byte or in 8 bits, how many combinations of number can we store? Since this one can have 2 states, so we can have 2, next one 2, next one 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Which is equal to 2 raised to power 8, and that's equal to 256. So in 1 byte of memory, you can store up to 256 combinations or 256 numbers. So now if we talk about unsigned int 8, which has 8 bits, you can see it can hold 2 raised to power 8 combination or 256. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits. Since 0 is considered a positive number, it can hold up to 0 to 255 integer values. Now think about a signed int. In a signed int, we have 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first bit is used for denoting if a number is positive or negative. Positive will be denoted by 0, while negative is denoted by 1. And the rest of the 7 bits can be used to store the value. So the total number of combination I can store in an int of 8 bit size is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, or 2 raised to power 7, which is equal to 128. Since 0 is considered a positive value, the number of values you can store or number of integers you can store is 0 to 127. Right. And if you remember, we said the first bit holds the sign of the number. So that means you can hold 0 to 127 positive and minus 128 to minus 1 negative. Cool. So that's how bits are used in computer memory to store data. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below, or you can reach out to us through our Discord server. Thanks again and happy coding.